The Catholic University of Argentina had a goal of adopting renewable energy and installing solar panels to contribute to the fight against climate change. The S-5 PV kit and Z-mini clamp were used to install the 492 modules that now generate a total of 177 kilowatts of peak power. The 4 3-phase 50 kilowatt inverters convert the DC electricity collected by the modules to 200 kilowatts of AC output. Over time, the energy that will be added back to the electrical grid adds up to over 243 megawatts per year. And the annual CO2 emissions the solar array helped prevent amounted to 146,000 kilograms, helping UCA do their part to fight the effects of climate change.